Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this device. First, we need to press the home button to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. In the menu you can scroll down, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, find the option called Connections and tap on it. And here find the option called NFC and select it. And now we can enable and disable the NFC by tapping on the switch right here. Come on. To enable it and to disable it, simply tap on the switch again. If you enable it, you can also change the payment method. By default, the Google Pay is only one option, but I believe you can also install Samsung Pay if you're using the Samsung device, like a phone rather. And also you can enable or disable the option to pay with Open App, and also you can tap on Others to enable the turn on the apps. And if you enable the apps right here, you will be able to open them with NFC, basically. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also use the quick panel to enable and disable the NFC. To do it, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then swipe left on the screen to go to the last page. And by default, you won't have the NFC icon right here, but you can tap on this plus button, tap on the, find the NFC icon basically. It looks like this. Tap on the plus button on it and it's gonna be added to the quick panel. And now you can go back by pressing back button and you can tap then on the NFC icon to enable it. And to disable it, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again like this. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.